Conditions are looking really bad. What happened to the Outer Banks supposedly having the best waves on the East Coast? I think we're gonna have to go on an adventure and walk down the beach to find waves. Do I even bring my... Whoa, dolphins! Whoa! I also can't complain because look how beautiful this is. And back home it's like flat. If you're from California watching this, you think this is flat. But back home, there isn't a ripple. Those things are everywhere. Chef Carter? Okay, Carter. Okay. I see you. Flip it, Carter.
Oh, yeah.
It's on the floor. Now this is how you have fun on days when it's flat. Oh. I broke the blade. No! Oh, one more before he's dead! Yeah. This is done. Whoopsies. It's fun though, it lasted. Look what I found in my bathing suit. Sorry. Oh no, the thing! Yeah. Go in the thunder! Go to run! You're gonna die! Oh! Look how deep it is! Yo! What? This is insane! Get it now! Look at him! It's a man of luxury! Alright, adventure time, guys. Let's see where this flood takes us. Look, there's a snake! Yo! If it is or not. Oh, it swam! Look at it. Look at the snake swimming! We need a boat.
You guys have never
It's
seen
weird
a frog
looking
before?
like that. It's like we're on a lake somewhere. Psych. The road. Let's go, biker dude! Yeah! Woo!
Yes, sir.
Oh!